have any fear, right, and you're afraid, then what you have to do at that time, this is your brain and fear is here
Yes.
and here in heart.
Yes.
This is think like that. This is a clip, right? Take this clip, take fear from here. Now this is one fear, another fear from your brain. Now you have fear, right?
And throw it out.
Throw it in garbage.
Mom, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking, Mom. What about you?
I'm also great. Thank you so much for your kind concern.
Okay, Mom. Thank you so much for accepting my invitation and joining on my YouTube channel. And I'm so happy today. I'm so elated, and Mom, I'm feeling a little upbeat today because
Offbeat.
yes, because you are in front of me. I'm in the seven heaven, right?
You are on
Yes.
seven heaven, and I'm on nine clouds.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, ma'am. As you meeting very first time, so let's quick have little introduce to each other. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm so elated to introduce myself in front of you. As you know, my name is Dipti Das. I'm from Orissa. I'm a proud homemaker. I have done my master in computer application, and I'm blessed with a daughter. And if you want to know my hobby is listening music, doing yoga and exercise. And apart from this, I have a very mini YouTube channel by the name of Glow and Grow with Deepti. Yeah, that is pretty much about myself.
Great, great, great. Lovely to know that. Okay. So tell me, I mean, what do you do? Why do you, I know you want to learn English, right? Because we all have only one reason that English is very important. Without English, we can't grow, right? And it is necessary, right, to be part of this language. But my question is not that I'm not asking you related to English. You can also
Okay.
ask, right? I will send you ball in your court as well. But I
Yes.
want to ask you simple question. What do you do when you free, when you get free time, when you get me time for yourself?
Okay. Actually, to be honest, nowadays, for me time, I totally I engross myself with learning in English. Right.
Oh.
I have lots of hobby, right? But nowadays, I every time I engross myself with English learning, either I speak my co-learners or I read something, and I watch something like this. Like English is my omnipresent for me now. I forget. I as you said that before, my hobby is listening music, but nowadays I just forget listening music, right? Because
Okay.
whenever I just try to listen something very little song, so that time like immediately my mind warn me, why you are wasting your time here, why not you learn something new, right?
Mhm.
So in this way, in my me time, every day I try to connect my co-learners and speak English. Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Because
So,
of my
and you know, hmm
ma'am, I live in a joint family, and as we are a homemaker, so lots of household chores are there. So I hardly
hmm
get time to practice, right? So that's why whenever I get little time, I just take my phone. I just sit in one corner of my home, my room, and try to listen something or try to read something like this. So
hmm
yes,
Good, good, good.
mm,
When we have dreams, right? When we have passion to follow, this is
yes,
the
ma'am.
ultimate thing, huh? When this is the
Yes,
ultimate thing which gives us immense pleasure, right?
right.
And second thing is purpose to live, right?
Yes. Ma'am,
Purpose to keep
actually,
us happy.
yes. No, actually, it was my childhood dream that to fluent in English. Whenever I saw some anybody to speak English, I feel very jealous, right? That time.
Hmm.
But now my baby is little grown up. She is on standard 9, and I
Hmm.
have little extra time, free time. So I think let's repeat why I waste my time like scrolling Insta or something like this. Why not I do something productive myself? So that's why it's been 6 months. I am learning this. I have been learning this language. So yes, I am
So
very yes.
are you talking in English with your kid, with
Yes,
your
yes, ma'am.
daughter?
Sometimes, not always. Whenever I help her study, that time we just try to speak in English. After sometimes, we 5 minutes, 7 minutes, we both are talking in English. After that, we both had a laugh and we once again switch our vernacular language. So that is the sometimes,
Ultimate, we are an Indian, right? Ultimate, we
yes,
are an Indian. We
yes,
feel
and very
pleasure, we feel happy in our own
yes.
native language.
Yes, yes. Emotionally, I'm very good and very comfortable with my native language. Whenever I
Same here.
connect, yes,
I'm also good at my native language, Hindi, my Pahadi language. But
yes,
this is a demand of today's era, right?
yes,
Without
yes.
English, you can't survive in this world. If you want
Mm,
to grow, right? If you
right.
want to get respect from the people, and if you
Yes.
want to be noticed in
Mm,
society, then
mm.
English is must.
Yes, nowadays I also learn from my daughter. Sometimes whenever I say something and my pronunciation is not good, that time she said, "Oh, Mama, you are wrong. You pronounce like this." Like I'm very proud that I am learn from my daughter now. And now,
Yes, very.
yes, Mom. Nowadays, they people are Gen Z, right? They have lots of grasping power, right? And they are suddenly they look at glass and they understand everything and they memorize all the things. So
Hmm.
yes.
You have Gen Z, I have at my home an Alpha. They
Yes.
belong, they belong to
Well,
Alpha category
yes,
generation.
yes,
Right.
yes.
And even though
But,
my daughter was telling me one phrase about that, I worked my butt off. I said, what does it mean? Butt
mm,
off. That's
okay.
really very, very funny. And she told
Hmm.
me this is, when means that hard work. Right. I told him that, let me just give you one phrase here. You need to work your tail off. It means you need to work hard.
Hmm.
Matlab you are getting phrases, vocabularies, idiom, which are which are which are very unusual, right? Very
Yes.
difficult to use in our day-to-day conversation because we
Hmm.
are good at simple language.
Yes.
In India, we usually use simple language, simple English,
Hmm.
right? But when they are watching television, when they are watching, US program, right? When they are um, listening that native speaker, then they are into that zone. The
Yes.
kind of phrases they are using, idioms they are using, they are absolutely, it's very difficult to wrap my head around sometimes. It's very difficult to understand,
Yes.
right?
And
But we
you're
are mother. But what
yes.
I believe that we are
Huh.
mother. You are
Yes.
mother, I am mother, right?
Yes.
And giving up that word, that phrase it not belongs to our dictionary.
Yes. And
We
your
can't give up.
kids. Yes, exactly. I also try to portray myself a confidence mother in front of my daughter also. That's why. That is one of the reason also. And your kids are very fond of Blippi, na? Blippi cartoon.
Yes, how did you know that?
Yes, I have seen your lots of video, right?
Okay.
So you yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
when my son was 1 year old,
Hmm.
that time he used to watch Blippi so much. And
Yes,
that's how, brain got washed for English language. Now he's 10 years old. Now he has a different kind of, interest. He usually watch robot blogs. I don't know what kind of a program is it this. And usually my daughter watch MSA, something like that. Also belongs to, they also belong to that US and I think something like that. I'm not aware of it, but yes, they love to watch it.
okay, okay. Okay, ma'am, tell me something about how to mitigate our MTI issue, mother tongue
MTI
issue.
issue.
Yes,
Okay, mother
yes.
tongue issue.
I think,
See,
ma'am, I have lots of MTI issue, right?
huh,
So I think so. I think so. Not it's a thing I have, right?
mm,
So
okay.
how to mitigate this kind of thing? Which kind of practice I have to
See,
do?
See, first and foremost thing, if you have MTI issue, right? That's not your problem, first of all. not your problem. That problem is belongs to your state.
Yes.
You are from Odisha,
Yes.
right? And
Yes, ma'am.
Odisha people, generally people, they have MTI issue,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So there is no problem, right? But if you want to improve your MTI issue, the best way is go for this क्या कहते हैं उसे,
Shadowing practice?
tongue twisters.
Tongue
tongue
twisters.
twisters
Okay.
tongue twister. And if you're not able to speak particular word, and try to speak it multiple times, record it, find out your mistake. Let me just give you the example. I was not able to speak a particular word, and that is floxinoxynihilifilification. That's the longest word, right?
Okay.
I'm also a human being. I was i was uh, i was i was thinking that, I was pondering that how would I remember it? How do I, make my tongue flexible to use this word?
Yes.
Won't believe it. For a day, I use that word. For a day, I use that word. I record myself. Floxinoxynihilifilification. Floxinoxynihilifilification.
Okay, ma'am.
Floxinoxynihil.
That
Huh?
is a long word or it is a tongue twister
It is the longest word.
word? Okay. Nice.
Floxinoxynihilifilification. I record myself, and I use one video to learn.
Hmm.
I was focused towards that, how they are using it, how, the kind of movement they
Hmm.
have in their tongue, right? I was focusing towards it.
Hmm.
So if you want to
So,
improve your MTI issue, then use that word multiple time in your day life, and record yourself. Find your mistake. Here I mistake. If you want to take help video as well. We have Google. We have ChatGTP. Tell
hmm.
ChatGTP, this is the word, now pronounce it, because I want to learn correct
Hmm.
pronunciation. I want to
Hmm.
remove my MTI issue.
Okay.
So many things, plethora of things, we
Yes.
have.
So tongue twister is the main way to mitigate our, like
See,
MT issue.
again, I'm telling you, all techniques are not meant for all. सारी
Hmm.
techniques सब पे काम नहीं करती हैं.
Yes. Hmm. Hmm.
ये तो आप मानते हैं ना, right? So you need to
Yes.
find out your own technique for it. What is best for me? What is
For me,
superlative for
yes.
me?
Yes,
Right?
exactly, ma'am. Yes.
I did not use any tongue twister to improve my MTI issue.
Hmm. But
But
here we.
I use multiple time. I record myself.
Hmm.
I took the help of ChatGPT. I took help of Google.
Hmm. Like how do you do this? Like what kind of practice did you do earlier that now you are so fluency and your speaking is very like flawlessly you are speaking. What kind of
See,
practice you did?
first and the foremost thing, if you want to get fluency is the end result of
Yes.
communication skill. If you want to get fluency, then you should have good hold at simple language, general conversation. Be good at general conversation. Be good at day-to-day conversation,
Yes. Hmm.
general conversation, simple conversation.
Hmm.
Because
Okay.
once you get the
No.
confidence
Yes.
in that general conversation, then you will see the fluency. Because you have when you are good at general conversation, that means you fill your brain with good content.
Yes.
You have lot of sentence structure. You know how to speak. You have prefabricated sentence structure in your brain. Because why? Because you are good at general conversation.
Hmm. Yes,
सिंपल
ma'am.
फंडा. जनरल कॉन्वर्सेशन को आप बहुत मजबूत बनाइए.
Hmm.
General conversation plays significant role in our communication skill if you want to get that damn fluency.
Yes. So you said that I am speaking more and more so that can I would become a more confident speaker, right?
Hmm.
Yes. So like I don't get any environment to my look like a family and my friend circle also. Only I practice with my co-learners. Oh,
Mm-hmm. But
sometimes
that's
half an
enough.
hour. Yes.
But that's
Yes.
enough, right?
Hmm.
Even when I started my journey, I did not have an ambience of English,
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
But that we need to understand, Dipti, that this is
Yes.
our dream.
Yes. We have to put our
ये
dedicated
हमारा
effort.
ड्रीम है, ये
Yes.
हमारा ड्रीम है, हम
Hmm.
करेंगे हार्ड वर्क इसके लिए.
Yes.
Nobody will come,
Nobody will come. At
nobody
the
will
end of
come
the
to
day,
support
yes.
you,
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना?
At the end of the day, we have to put our effort. So I
Yes.
also, in this way, I also motivate myself. Sometimes I break my consistency. Still, I try to maintain my consistency. Even I don't have much time, so I 15 minutes or 10 minutes. I just try to practice with my co-learners.
Yes, yes, little by little fill the ocean,
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
Drop
Yes.
by drop fill the ocean.
Yes, ma'am. You are
So
right.
think in that way. Today I will give 10 minutes, another day I will give 15 minutes, then half an hour, then 1 hour, and 2 hours, and eventually
Hmm.
I will become fluent
Yes.
because I am putting my efforts. Consistently, I'm putting my efforts. Doesn't matter how much time are you giving. What matter is that you are giving time to it.
Yes. Hmm.
है ना? ये मैटर करता है, चाहे 10 मिनट दो, 15 मिनट दो, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. कंसिस्टेंसी मैटर्स अ
Yes.
लॉट.
Consistency is the like a secret weapon, right, ma'am? If you are not only English learning, every spare consistencies matter a lot. Whenever in
Everywhere, everywhere.
yes, yes. Like whenever I am very fond of doing yoga and exercise. Whenever I was not able to right do something exercise and yoga, that day I am not feeling very rejuvenated. I am feeling something. I just lost something. I am not able to do something like this. So every day
You
I
know
do.
why?
Yes,
You know why? Why?
this, yes, ma'am. This
Why
is my
you, if you are,
habitude,
if, this is your habit. On top
habit.
of that,
Yes,
your brain, your
brain
body, your soul demand for it.
demand for it.
Hey
Right,
Deepti, hey
right.
Deepti, where is yoga? Where is meditation? We
Yes,
need
yes,
this
exactly.
therapy. So
Yes.
you have to accept English language as a therapy.
Hmm. Yes,
That
yes,
right?
right.
That you should demand for it. Hey, I need to do it.
Hmm. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, exactly. So, ma'am, initially for the beginner, initially which thing is important? It's confidence is important or vocab is important? What do you
Vocabulary
think?
doesn't matter. Vocabulary doesn't matter. Confidence matters.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
If you have confidence, right, and you're not able to use heavy vocabularies, but you're using
Yes.
simple vocabulary, you
Hmm.
are good to go.
Yes.
You are ready to hit the boundaries. So, confidence matter a lot. Confidence
Hmm.
may not give you the success, that huge success, but confidence
Power.
has
Yes.
power to change your personality or to teach you how to tackle the situations when it comes
Hmm.
immediately, or unfortunately when you face or encounter some situation in life, but you are confident enough, you know how to handle it,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
confidence matters.
Ma'am. So, ma'am, you are very every time whenever I watch your video, that time every day you are very energetic. How do you maintain this kind of things? Really, I'm so uh,
I don't
I'm
know
so
actually.
surprised that whenever you always laughing and always full of energetic.
I love, I love laughing. If I'm not laughing like top of my lungs, जब तक मैं जोर जोर से हंसती थी, I feel my day is already wasted.
Wasted.
I don't want to waste my day. I don't want to
Oh,
waste my day. I just
oh,
want to
so
laugh like that.
so sweet of you.
Whether
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
care what people are saying. If they're saying, "Oh my God, that woman is insane. That woman is pagal," I really don't care. I just want to enjoy my energy.
Yes, yes. I learn a lot from you. Really. Yes, your video from your
Thank you.
video. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Oh, yeah, whenever I join, na, that time I think, oh my God, how I converse with the mom. I am little, I'm little nervous. Yes, it does happen because we all are, as you said, that we all are
Yes,
human beings, and you have
yes.
lots of, pattern of emotions, and fear is one of these, like this. So
Next
now I
time,
am very
see,
comfortable. Yes,
next time, whenever you have any fear, right, and you're afraid, then what you have to do at that time, this is your brain, and fear is here
yes,
and here in heart.
yes.
This is think like that. This is a clip, right? Take this clip, take fear from here. Now this is one fear, another fear from your brain. Now you have fear, right?
And throw it out.
Throw it in garbage.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks so much. Okay.
Yes.